If you've seen blx.gg pop up offering free Robux just for watching videos, playing games, or doing surveys, you're probably wondering, is this too good to be true? We took a close look at the site and the results are questionable. blx.gg promises up to 7,000 Robux through simple tasks, but once you get inside, things start to fall apart fast. We found broken links, constant typos, and a professional website that looks rushed and unpolished. Their Instagram claims over 50,000 followers but has 0 posts, which feels incredibly sketchy. Bold statements like instantly earn Robux are everywhere, but there's no visible proof of actual payouts. We even checked their domain age and social media engagement. It all screams red flags. The Trustpilot reviews are mixed, with some calling it fake while others claim success, but many of those positive reviews look suspiciously copy-pasted. Real user experiences reveal frustration with long tasks, unfulfilled rewards, and no clear support. This isn't a hit piece, but it's also not a glowing endorsement. While blx.gg might technically work for a few people, the inconsistencies and warning signs make it hard to trust. So if you're considering giving it a try, be cautious and definitely don't expect it to be your next Robux jackpot.